This is Malala River. It is located in Meru, Arusha, Tanzania. Just 3 kilometers away from small town of Tengeru on the main road of Arusha Moshi. Malala River flowing and gets its water direct from the natural springs of Mount Meru. River Malala also it is used as the famous border in such different many villages in Meru district. By the beautiful natural environment of Malala River, there is beautiful iconic waterfalls, which is attraction for the local and foreigners. It makes this environment look more better. This is Mangalia Waterfalls. It is named by the former people, which means the place to observe. It is a nice nature old spot hidden between 2 villages, Akeri and Kimundo, by the border of Malala River. As you can see how beautiful water is falling, the environment is so pretty, which influences many people to be there to enjoy the nature. Makini Swing Adventures. Today we coming up with a short documentary about the water pollutions. Water pollution is a very serious environmental issue that we are facing right now. Water gets polluted when the physical, biological, and chemical properties deteriorate due to human activities. Water pollution is responsible for impacting the lives of humans and animals as well. It is extremely hazardous to the environment and must be curbed right away. By making sure, together we need to adopt the measures that will help to prevent the global level of water pollution. And Makini Swing Adventures is here to inspiring you as a brothers and sisters to join our hands and combine and make this environment look clean for the society benefits and also to enjoy this beautiful environment of Malala River in Mangalia Waterfalls. Thank you so much for watching and please join us on this volunteering event.